This is what $2,450,000 will buy you in Austin, Texas. If you are new here, my name's Micheall Moreno, and I'm your go-to real estate agent. You are gonna love this new modern luxury home in 78731 zip code. Located in Shoalwood subdivision, this home has everything you could want. Lots of windows, modern finishes, custom light fixtures, butler's pantry. It's nice, bright, open, beautiful black framed windows. This home is over 3,600 square feet. It offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths. Step into this beautiful master, custom closet, and the bathroom is gorgeous with amazing views. Next, you'll notice the additional living space that makes you feel like you're in a tree house. It's up high and offers lots of beautiful windows. This home has an elevator, so you can access all 3 floors easily. There's a laundry room downstairs, and there's also a laundry space up here. One of the bedrooms upstairs to the right offers an ensuite, walk-in closet. There's no carpet in this house. Then down the hall, you'll notice a wet bar with a wine fridge. And then as we go down the hall, to the right, you can add a washer and dryer, so you can have 2 separate units. And the bathroom offers a large walk-in shower, soaking tub. Again, modern finishes. 2 bedrooms over here with big walk-in closets and access to the balcony. The views from this balcony is just amazing.